I'm going to show you how to prepare and paint unpainted decking planks. On newly laid boards, first you're going to need to fill the screw holes. I applied some flexible outdoor paintable filler. Then before it dried, wiped it smooth. Once it was dried, give it a little tickle over with a sandpaper. For the first layer of paint, I diluted it down by 5%. This allows the paint to penetrate deeply into the wood. Then leave it for 4 hours before applying your second coat, but you may have to give it a gentle sanding as the wood might feel a little bit coarse after the first coat. Don't forget to take your shoes off if you have to walk on the decking for the first 3 weeks until the paint is completely cured. And that's your decking now complete. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.